Fourier series. For Fourier series, it is necessary to revise idea of periodic function. A function f of x which satisfies this condition, f of x plus capital T equal to f of x, then f of x is called periodic function of period capital T. Examples are sin of x plus 2 pi equal to sin x, cos of x plus 2 pi equal to cos x. If x replaced by x plus 2 pi, then value of function remains same. So these are called periodic functions. Sin x and cos x are periodic functions of period 2 pi. Now any periodic function can be identified from its graph also. Suppose graph of y equal to sin x is given by this wave. This is called sine wave. And if you take graph of curve from 0 to 2 pi, then this graph is repeated after 2 pi up to 4 pi, from 4 pi to 6 pi. Same graph is repeated, and if any graph repeated, then function is called periodic function of this interval. So sin x is periodic function of interval from 0 to 2 pi, and which is of length 2 pi. So sin x is periodic function of period 2 pi, and graph of function over this interval is called one cycle of periodic function. And for such functions, for periodic functions, we can express into Fourier series. Consider f of x is any periodic function of period 2 pi, and if this function is defined over interval c to c plus 2 pi, that means one cycle is given over this interval. And if f of x satisfies three important conditions, these conditions are called Dirichlet's conditions. First condition is f of x is absolutely integrable over given interval. Second condition is f of x is bounded over given interval. And third condition is f of x has finite number of discontinuities over given interval. If these three conditions are satisfied by a periodic function, then f of x can be expressed in Fourier series given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a suffix n into cos of nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity b suffix n into sin of nx. And this equation is called Fourier series of function f of x. This a0, an and bn are called Fourier constants or Fourier coefficients, and they are calculated from these formulas. N is given by 1 by pi, means 1 upon half of period, integration over given interval from c to c plus 2 pi f of x dx. Then value of a suffix n is given by 1 by pi integration from c to c plus 2 pi f of x into cos of nx into dx, and b suffix n is given by 1 by pi integration from c to c plus 2 pi f of x into sin of nx dx. Now after finding values of a0, an and bn, replace these values in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 is called Fourier series of given function f of x in the interval c to c plus 2 pi. And this interval is one cycle of given periodic function.